Hey folks, Anisha here, and I've got a GitHub feature for you to check out. So the star feature is a core social network feature on GitHub, and folks use it in several different ways. Well, we've just recently shipped List, which is currently in beta, to help give you a better experience. So Bailey, why don't you tell us more about this new feature?
Hi everyone, I'm Bailey. Thanks for having me. I'm a product manager on the communities team at GitHub. We're focused on bringing people together to both build and sustain great software. Today, we'll be talking about a new feature that we're rolling out that builds on stars. So starring is a way to save a repository that you want to return to or boost a repository that you think is neat. I'm sure you're all familiar with projects that have even hundreds or thousands of stars. In fact, 1 million users star more than 3.8 million repositories in a given month. And previously, when you start a repository, it would end up kind of on a laundry list of projects that's pretty difficult to search and organize. People all over GitHub have been building great tools that provide more functionality around repositories that you want to save for later, such as awesome lists and starred search. This helped us identify the need for a more robust starring experience, which brings us to lists. Lists is a simple layer atop stars that gives me more control to curate the repos that I want to come back to. It's as easy as clicking star on a repo, and I can quickly add this to one of my lists here. Now, almost anywhere that I can star a repo, I'll have this handy dropdown that lets me organize as I go. I really love this because it lets me remember so much added context around why I might be starring a repo at that point in time. Rather than throwing it in my bucket of stars, I can be much more purposeful around why or how I want to come back to that project in the future. So now that I've added a repo to my list, I can navigate to my profile and get to my starred repos. Lists now have a lovely little home where folks can come take a look at what projects are on my mind. To get started, just head over to a repo of interest, click star, and get curating.
Bailey, I absolutely love this. I think it's amazing. I can't wait to give that a go. So I got a couple questions for you then, Bailey. First one is, are lists private or public?
So just like stars today, lists are public only and are designed to be shared. Private lists aren't something that we're investing in today, but we'd be interested to hear if that's something that folks are hoping for in the future.
Great. And that leads me to the next question. Where can folks go to learn more about it or ask you questions?
Yes, we are always keen to listen to any and all feedback from folks that are trying out the feature. So we've created a discussions category in the GitHub feedback repo that we'll link in the description. You can come hang out and let us know how it's going. You can read up on questions, ask your own, or just share your ideas on what you'd like to see.
Perfect. So folks, just as what Bailey said, check out this feature and let us know what you think about it. You can leave your comments down below, or as what Bailey said, you can hit us up on GitHub feedback repo and leave your comments and questions there, or hit us up on Twitter as well. So stay tuned for more checkout videos coming your way very soon.